Hello food lovers, are you ready for a delicious adventure in healthy eating? Today we're diving into the world of gluten-free and vegan cuisine. It's easier than you think to create satisfying meals without gluten or animal products. This way of eating can benefit your well-being in many ways. Get ready to feel energized and nourished. A gluten-free and vegan diet is naturally full of plant-based goodness. Think fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. These foods are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Fiber is key for healthy digestion. It also helps you feel fuller for longer. This can be a real plus if you're watching your weight. Cutting out gluten and animal products can be a positive change for many people. If you have celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, a gluten-free diet is a must. Veganism aligns with ethical concerns for animals and a desire for sustainable living. Plus, plant-based diets are linked to a lower risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and some types of cancer. Ready to experience these benefits firsthand? Let's jump into our delicious meal plan. Each recipe is simple to follow and bursting with flavor. Get ready to nourish your body and excite your taste buds. Rise and shine with a breakfast that's both delicious and nutritious. Our gluten-free banana oat waffles are the perfect way to start your day. They're easy to make and packed with wholesome ingredients. You'll love the naturally sweet flavor and satisfying texture. Let's gather our ingredients. You'll need gluten-free rolled oats, ripe bananas, plant-based milk, ground flaxseed, baking powder, a pinch of salt, and a touch of cinnamon. First, blend the oats into a fine flour. Add the remaining ingredients and blend until smooth. Next, heat your waffle iron and lightly grease it. Pour the batter onto the hot iron and cook according to the manufacturer's instructions. While the waffles are cooking, prepare your favorite toppings. Fresh berries, sliced bananas, and a drizzle of maple syrup are always delicious choices. Serve your gluten-free banana oat waffles immediately. Pair them with a warm cup of spiced apple cinnamon tea for a cozy and comforting breakfast. This tea is naturally sweet and caffeine-free. It's a soothing way to start your day. Enjoy a satisfying and protein-packed lunch with these vegan chickpea salad wraps. They're quick to assemble and perfect for meal prepping. The chickpea salad is bursting with fresh flavors and textures. For this recipe, you'll need cooked chickpeas, vegan mayonnaise, celery, red onion, fresh dill, Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper. First, drain and rinse the chickpeas. Place them in a bowl and mash them lightly with a fork. You want some texture, so don't overmash. Next, finely chop the celery and red onion. Add them to the bowl with the mashed chickpeas. Stir in the vegan mayonnaise, fresh dill, Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper. Mix until well combined. Now, prepare your wraps. You can use large lettuce leaves, collard greens, or gluten-free tortillas. Fill the wraps with the chickpea salad. Roll them up tightly. Serve your vegan chickpea salad wraps with a side of baby spinach or mixed greens. Pair them with a refreshing glass of citrus-infused water for a burst of flavor and hydration. A flavorful finish air-fried tofu with stir-fried veggies for dinner. End your day with a flavorful and satisfying dinner that's both healthy and easy to prepare. Our air-fried tofu with stir-fried veggies is a delicious way to enjoy plant-based protein and an array of colorful vegetables. For this recipe, you'll need extra firm tofu, Henderson's relish, garlic powder, onion powder, cornstarch, your favorite vegetables such as broccoli, carrots, snap peas, and bell peppers, vegetable broth, and sesame oil. First, press the tofu to remove excess water. Cut it into bite-sized cubes. Next, whisk together the Henderson's relish, garlic powder, onion powder, and cornstarch in a bowl. Add the tofu cubes and toss to coat. Let the tofu marinate while you prepare the vegetables. Chop the vegetables into bite-sized pieces. Heat the sesame oil in a large skillet or wok over medium heat. Add the vegetables and stir-fry until crisp tender. Transfer the vegetables to a plate. In the same skillet, air fry or pan fry the marinated tofu until golden brown and crispy. To serve, arrange the air-fried tofu and stir-fried vegetables over brown rice or quinoa. Pour any remaining marinade from the tofu into the skillet with the vegetables. Cook until thickened. Drizzle the sauce over the tofu and vegetables. Pair this dish with a calming cup of herbal peppermint tea. Peppermint tea aids digestion and can help you unwind after a long day. A day of wholesome goodness recap and benefits. Congratulations! You've enjoyed a full day of delicious and nutritious meals that are both gluten-free and vegan. Let's recap the highlights and benefits of each dish. Gluten-free banana oat waffles provided a fiber-rich and energy-boosting start to your day. Oats are a good source of complex carbohydrates which provide sustained energy. Bananas offer potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Vegan chickpea salad wraps offered a protein-packed and satisfying midday meal. Chickpeas are an excellent source of plant-based protein and fiber, which help keep you feeling full and energized. The fresh vegetables in the salad provide essential vitamins and minerals. Air-fried tofu with stir-fried veggies delivered a flavorful and nutrient-rich end to your day. Tofu is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. The stir-fried vegetables offer a variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. By choosing gluten-free and vegan options, you've nourished your body with an abundance of plant-based goodness. You've also reduced your intake of saturated fat, cholesterol, and processed ingredients, all of which can contribute to various health problems. Embrace the delicious journey, a final word. Embracing a gluten-free and vegan lifestyle doesn't mean you have to sacrifice flavor or satisfaction. As you've seen from today's meal plan, it's possible to enjoy delicious and nourishing meals that align with your dietary needs and preferences. Remember, this is just a starting point. Feel free to get creative in the kitchen and experiment with different ingredients and flavor combinations. The world of gluten-free and vegan cuisine is vast and exciting, with endless possibilities to explore. I encourage you to try these recipes and experience the benefits of a healthier and more compassionate way of eating. Here's to a journey filled with delicious food, vibrant health, and a deeper connection to yourself and the planet.